I've been asked what my gourd ukulele sounds like because my video showing the making of it didn't demonstrate. So I'm going to compare it with a couple of other ukuleles that I have. First one is a soprano Ashbury ukulele, which I really like, although it's not an expensive instrument, which sounds like this. Resonates nicely. And this one is a tenor ukulele by Islander, Canilea Islander, which sounds like this. Which to me sounds somewhat metallic, but I'm told by others who know better that it's quite a good sound. And this is the homemade gourd ukulele, which sounds like this. And it sounds sort of sharper somehow, and it resonates for longer than the other two, so I'm quite pleased with that. And if you can bear any more, this is a song based on Big Rock Candy Mountain, which was first recorded by Harry McClintock in 1928, but probably based on earlier songs too. Anyway, I've rewritten it as Blue Denim Dungarees, and it goes something like this. In a little place named Dungaree, the folk were famed for stitching. They sewed a type of clothing that workers found bewitching. They wore them in lands so far away, they wore them just to please. Now look at me and you will see blue denim dungarees. With a little pair of dungarees, there's pockets for evermore, for string and nails or a pocket knife and a tool for every chore. The straps will keep your bib up or undo them to keep cool. Go climbing trees or shoot the breeze, any number of things where the bluebird sings in your denim dungarees. With a pair of denim dungarees, you'll join a worldwide throng. You won't be working in a bank, but enjoy a farmyard pong. Scrump in orchards full of fruit, or roll in stacks of hay. Wherever you go, in rain or snow, in your overalls, the winds can blow in your denim dungarees. With a pair of denim dungarees, no need to change your socks, or think of wearing fancy shoes, look great in worn-out Crocs. Our kindred favour straw-type hats, so to fashion we are blind. There's a loop for a hammer and a pocket for a pen, fill it up with treats till I tell you when, in your denim dungarees. With a pair of denim dungarees, you're fit for every task. There's not a job that you can't do if anybody asks. Go wield an axe or shovel, or trowel, saws and picks. I'm bound to say, don't work all day, don't be a jerk who can only work in your denim dungarees. Look better by far when worn by star, blue denim dungarees.